Hi friends. This is Caesar from PS Tutelar. We can add color splash in images. Like this is a picture. It will look like that after adding splash. Let's get started without any delay. In this image a model is wearing red dress. Create hue and saturation layer. Click on this icon. Click and drag in image to modify saturation. We will create red splash because her dress is red. Click on red dress. You can see reds in colors panel. Move saturation slider to left and make value -100. It will desaturate dress. Look at these small sliders. 2 sliders at right side. One is small and other is large. Combine these 2 sliders. Move to extreme right side. You can see these sliders appear on left side. Move them to right side. Combine next 2 sliders and move to right side. You can see red color dress is back. It looks like a red splash on image. Rest of image turned into black and white. Here is image before and after. There is another way to add splash. We will add splash on this next image. Pick elliptical marquee tool. Press Alt plus Shift and hold, then create selection. Adjust it on the face of model. Create a layer for gradient map. Choose any gradient even it looks crazy. I am going to choose a gradient from pinks. Press OK, then check reverse. Double click on layer to open layer style window. In Blend Div, choose underlying layer. Move shadow slider to right side gradually. Keep an eye on image while moving slider. So roundness should intact. Press Alt and click on slider to apart it. Move apart slider all the way to right for smooth transition. Finally hit OK. It has been done. We add splash on image. In this way we can add splash manually. It is good way to make movie poster. And here is first image. We converted image into black and white. But red dress remains as splash. I hope you like these 2 ways. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.